Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Trisence. My name is Asma. Today, we will practice the best tips to learn English fast and effectively. I will speak very slowly to help you hear every sound. Please repeat each sentence after me during the pause. Let's start our long practice session. Tip 1. The power of consistency. Daily practice is the secret to success. Learning a language is a journey, not a race. Practice for 15 minutes every single morning. Small steps every day lead to great results. Do not skip your practice, even if you are busy. Consistency is the most important rule for beginners. Tip 2. Focus on workplace vocabulary. Learn the words you need for your professional life. Focus on common verbs like want, need, and provide. Learn the names of everything on your office desk. Use simple words to explain your ideas clearly. Knowing basic business words will build your confidence. Start with the vocabulary you use in your meetings. Tip 3. Master full phrases. Do not memorize single words. Use full sentences. It is better to learn a complete, useful phrase. Instead of help, say, "Can you please assist me?" This will help you speak much faster at work. Memorizing phrases makes your English sound more natural. Try to use one new phrase in every conversation. Tip 4. Overcoming the fear of speaking. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. It is okay to speak slowly and take your time. Most people will understand and try to help you. Do not be afraid of making small grammar mistakes. Speaking with fear is the only way to learn. Every mistake is a lesson that makes you better. Tip 5. Effective listening at work. Listen to English as much as possible. Listen to English podcasts during your daily commute. Use English subtitles when you watch a short video. This helps your brain understand natural English sounds. Active listening is the fastest way to improve speaking. Pay attention to how your colleagues pronounce words. Tip 6. Writing for better memory. Writing fixes the language in your mind. Write 3 simple sentences about your daily work tasks. Use simple present tense to describe your office routine. Keeping a journal is a great way to track progress. Write down any new English words you hear today. Practice writing simple emails to improve your professional skills. Tip 7. Professional communication scenarios. Practical sentences for your office. Good morning, everyone. Let us start our daily meeting. Thank you for your great help on this project. I will send you the final report very soon. Could you please explain this point one more time? I am looking forward to our collaboration next week. Tip 8. Setting realistic goals. Success is a series of small wins. Set a small goal for yourself every single week. Try to learn 5 new phrases about your specific job. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it seems. You do not need to be perfect to be successful. Focus on being better than you were yesterday. Conclusion. Thank you for practicing with me today. You have completed a long and important lesson. Remember, at English Trisence, we believe in your ability to learn. Keep repeating these sentences until they feel easy. I am Asma, and I will see you in our next video. Goodbye.